Hello students, today I'm going to take your class of SST and I'm taking the political life chapter from your SST book and it's from Ratna Sagar. I've already sent you a link, children. If you can download this, that is very good for you, that you can get the book till the school resumes. So we are starting with the chapter Unity in Diversity. I've already sent you a slideshow where you have been come to know what type of different dresses people are wearing in country. What do you mean by the term unity in diversity? Means that the people in this country are different. They are following different religion. They are having different cultures. But despite of these differences, their languages are different. But despite of these differences, we are one. Now, if we'll take a present situation of today, if we'll take a present situation, we can really see that what we are having, that due to coronavirus, we all are facing a problem. But the basic thing is that we all are staying at home. We all are following the rules. So now India has become as a one nation. Though we are different, but still we are doing the same thing. We are united and nobody can break our unity. That's why the other countries, they feel like coming to India, feeling the sense of India, that despite of so many differences, people are living all together. So now our culture today. Cultural consists of what? What is cultural, children? It's in ideas, beliefs, customs, religions, music, dance, whatever we follow while following our religion is called our culture. The food habits of the people, the festivals we celebrate, their arts, their handicrafts, all part of their culture. And festivals. Do you think all of us have same type of festivals? But yes, we all celebrate the festivals. Like if it comes to Diwali, it's not like that only Hindu and Punjabis are going to celebrate. Sometimes the Christians are also celebrating, the Sikhs are also celebrating, Buddhism, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Jainism, they all are celebrating. So they are enjoying this festival. And these festivals teach us that we are one. Some festivals are religious and some are linked to the seasons. So national festivals, you all have read about them. There are three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated throughout the country and it is considered as a national holiday. Festivals such as Diwali, Dussehra, Holi, Eid and Christmas. Now think about this. Now if I take a light here. So festivals such as Diwali, Dussehra, Holi and Eid and Christmas are also celebrated throughout the country. Other festivals such as Baisakhi, Basant Panchami, Pongal, Onam, Guru Parab and Bihu are celebrated in some parts. So there are different types of festivals which we are celebrating. Even you don't believe that, children, that we also celebrate the birthdays of gods and great men's. For example, Lord Krishna's birthday, how do you celebrate? It's as Janmashtami. The birthday of Gautam Buddha, how do we celebrate it? We celebrate it as Buddha Purnima. Lord Mahavira's birthday is celebrated as Mahavir Jayanti. And Guru Nanak's birthday as Guru Parab. So we are celebrating their birthday as this. Now, have you clear about the festivals? Children, festivals are of two types. One is national, one are religious, and even the birthdays are celebrated as the festivals. Now, let's move on to dance and music. Now, India has major two kinds of dances. Number one is classical and folk. Now, classical dances such as Bharatnatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu and Kathakali in Kerala. You can see. And Kathak in North India, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, I'll show you. Just wait. Yeah. See, and Telangana, Manipuri in Manipur, and Odissi in Odisha. Most of these dances tell us stories from epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Now, children, these are the dances which are classical and they are depicting the epics. Epics क्या होते हैं? ग्रंथ जिन्हें हम कहते हैं, हमारी होली रामायण और महाभारत के epics को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. Ancient Indian knowledge has been passed on by word of mouth. हमारी ये knowledge कहाँ से आई? From where do we get this knowledge? From our word of mouth. एक ने दूसरे से कहा, दूसरे ने तीसरे से कहा, and these stories keeps on revealing. Stories with moral lessons were told through songs, dance and drama, and this is called art of folk theatre. फोक डांसेस आर मोस्टली बेस्ड ऑन सीजन्स. जो फोक डांसेस हैं, हर स्टेट का अपना एक डांस है. आपको पता है कितनी स्टेट है हमारी इंडिया में? देयर आर 29 states in India which are in India and they all are living together and united, and these different states have different types of dances. So ये seasons पर based है. For example, भांगड़ा from Punjab, गरबा from Gujarat, छाऊ from Jharkhand and Odisha. Ghumar from Rajasthan, Lavani from Maharashtra, and Bihu from Assam are popular folk dances. These are the dances which are there from these particular places. India music, like the dance forms, also goes back to Vedas. अगर आपके हमारे जो 4 Vedas है, उन Vedas में से ये dance forms हैं. There are 2 main schools of classical music. 2 main schools हैं classical music के. That is Indian school. Just let me zoom it. Indian school, and where we call it is called Hindustani, and the South Indian school is called Carnatic. Is in this this is the North Indian school is called Hindustani, and the South Indian school is called Carnatic. In India, music we had the घराना tradition. चलिए देखो dances, folk dances हो गए, state के stories हो गई, classical हो गया. जो हमारे म्यूजिक है वो डांस फॉर्म के साथ ही जाता है, वो वेदास से है. तो अगर हम क्लासिकल म्यूजिक को देखें तो वो नॉर्थ इंडिया की तरफ से, जिसको हम हिंदुस्तानी स्कूल कहते हैं, और साउथ इंडिया में जाएं तो उसको हम कर्नाटिक स्कूल कहते हैं. इन इंडिया में हमारे घरानास भी थे. घराना यानी कि खानदानी dances or musics are going on. Students learn music from gurus by living in their houses. Devotional music है, भगवान का songs हैं, भजन्स हैं, such as couplets. Couplets क्या होते हैं? कबीर के दोहे and भजन्स. You know, we used to listen them. And by Surdas, you might have heard these names, Tulsidas, Mirabai. They were all sung all over the country. So Indian folk music consists of traditional songs. ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग्स हैं हमारी इसमें इंडियन म्यूजिक में. एंड यू नो वी यूजुअली सिंग देम फेस्टिवल्स एंड वेडिंग. अगर आप हिमाचल में रहते हो तो आपका हिमाचली ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग होगा ना जब शादियों पे गाते हो, विच यू यूजुअली सिंग इन मैरिज. जैसे मेरे पंजाबी स्टूडेंट्स, दे हैव पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स एंड during weddings they sing. So this is what about our festivals, dance and music. Now children, in next class I will be taking your rest of the chapter. Bye for now. पॉज कर लेना था मैंने.